Transportation is a huge barrier to employment. Because of a lack of public transportation throughout a lot of our metro area, we're in a situation where in order to get a decent job, you have to have a car.
A lot of the jobs are not in the inner city. A lot of the jobs are out in the suburb areas and where people cannot get there. They don't have any way to get there at all. No transportation. A lot of people don't own vehicles. They don't have even driver's licenses.
FlexRide is an on-demand workforce transportation service. So think of it as a cross between an Uber or a Lyft and a city bus. We have 5-passenger minivans that people can call on their phone, on an app on their smartphone. We do have a 1-800 number for folks that don't have smartphones, but it's essentially a smaller bus that comes to you, comes near to your location, and then takes you directly out to the place that you need to go. So the term for this kind of service is microtransit, and it's a growing segment of the transit world throughout the United States. And thanks to FlexRide Milwaukee and our partners that gave rise to this program, we were really at the vanguard of this type of service that we're now seeing pop up all over the United States.
I think I drive between 60 plus people a day round trip. So in a week, probably between 250 to 300 people a week. We're very busy. When people come in the car, they generally ask me how I'm doing, how's my day, and we talk about different things about FlexRide that they love about it. They love how, that what if they didn't have FlexRide? What if they didn't have it? We're getting a lot of new people, new riders that haven't used us before. Being able to meet people and talk to them is great. But most importantly, what I love is talking to young men who look like myself, who are younger than me, who I can tell need some type of guidance. And I tell these young men, I tell them how proud I am of them. I tell them how much it is for me to see them going to work. They could be doing anything else, but they're getting up and they're coming to work and they're trying to make the best of themselves for their family, and that they're using FlexRide to help them along their journey. And so it makes me feel good to do that.
United Way's support throughout this entire journey has been absolutely critical. Our organization, Mobilize, we've been a part of the RBEA initiative since 2019, 3 years before we launched FlexRide. And we were there at the table with workforce development organizations, with organizations that serve justice-involved individuals, with organizations that provide job training and skills training for individuals. So being in that room and being a transportation leader in the room with many different types of leaders that are there to serve different aspects of those barriers was a critical piece in FlexRide's development.